What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're whipping up these amazing honey sriracha salmon bites, and I'm gonna just get right to it. We'll start by making a quick and easy remoulade to go with them. Grab some fresh basil and get it chopped up. We'll also be using some capers, so grab about a teaspoon of them and get them chopped up as well. Next, add to a bowl some mayo, Dijon mustard, that basil and capers, some lemon juice, pickle juice, W sauce, and some Cajun seasoning. Give it a mix, and I felt like it needed some salt and pepper, so go ahead and add a little bit if you need to. Always remember to taste as you go. Next, go ahead and get a nice fillet of salmon and cut it into about 1-inch cubes. And if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to take this time to hit that subscribe button. I got new videos coming out every week, and I got some really good recipes coming up. Once that salmon's cubed up, season it with your favorite Cajun seasoning and make sure all the pieces get coated, no salmon left behind. Next, we'll season our breading. I'm using Panko and seasoning it with paprika, salt and pepper, Tony's, and garlic powder. Get that all mixed together, then whisk up some eggs and begin battering that salmon. Once they're all nice and coated, throw them in the fryer, and you don't want to overcrowd things, so fry in batches of about 6 to 8 pieces at a time, depending on the size of your fryer. They only take a few minutes to cook, so once they're nice and golden brown, take them out and throw them on a couple paper towels. Then let's get that sauce ready. This will be a quick and easy honey sriracha sauce, and it's literally just those 2 ingredients. So add them to a bowl, get them whisked together, and then drizzle on top of your salmon bites. Give them a good toss and then serve it up with that homemade remoulade. And now all that's left is to dig in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.